Hi everyone, my name is Kiki Taurista. I am biology teacher from Al Hikmah Senior High School, Surabaya. I teach my students about waste management in a project that a student can conduct learning about waste management. So check it out.
Here in Al Hikmah, all of the trashes are already categorized into three, and that is the plastics, the papers, and the organic matter. We already do this in our school as a way to help contribute to the environment, but as we can see in the reality, the trash that we collect every day, that we separate every day, are being thrown in the same place, and that is in the landfill near our school, not even 2 meters away from our school. All of these trashes are being dumped into one, creating another massive problem. And that is why today we are being challenged to create a zero waste challenge by our teacher.
First, I would like to invite you to do observation and interviews with workers at temporary landfill or TPS Ketintang Baru.
They need to find solution to reduce waste. So,
Basket.
inside the Takakura
In my opinion, this lesson in biology is the most memorable one and the most enjoyable for me because we get to practice what we learn.
Juga senang sekali dengan kompos hasil proyek karya.
Waste management is a great way to introduce students to the importance of taking care of the environment.